Hello everyone. I'm starting my YouTube channel to learn art and drawings, and also track my progress during this whole process of becoming an artist from beginner. And so, whenever I start to draw, I feel like I need to go back to the roots because being an animator, my volumes are not really consistent right now, and the exaggeration that is needed in the characters, that is also not there right now. This is another reason why I want to track my progress and relearn the things that I missed on my process in becoming an animator. I would love if people join onto my sessions, and if you are a beginner or would like to go back to the basics, do join my sessions. I will try to be regular on the uploading YouTube videos, and other than that, we'll be having gesture drawings, probably some anatomy studies, color studies, and environment studies. I hope so, and we can definitely further go on and explore more of art stuff in that process. Let's see what happens, and all the best to me and all the best to you if you are gonna join, and even if you're not, like, share, and subscribe. See you.